Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good day. My name is Muhammad Syafiq Bakar. I'm from Faculty of Electrical and Electronics Engineering, University of Malaysia Pahang. Today, I'm very happy to bring you the MOOC from FKE called Alternative Energy. In Module 1, Part 1, Introduction to Alternative Energy, and we expecting you after completing this module, you should be able to have three elements of outcome. Number one, describe the definition and concept of alternative energy. Number two, list several types of alternative energy technologies. And the last one, explain the advantages and disadvantages of alternative energy. As an introduction, what is an alternative energy? Basically, alternative energy is an energy source that is an alternative to fossil fuel. These alternatives are intended to address concerns about such fossil fuels. What is a fossil fuels? Basically, fossil fuels consist of crude oil, coal, and natural gas. And the most important for fossil fuels consists of 10 major elements, which is that one consists of the types of fuels that consists of type of fossil fuel that I mentioned earlier. Number two, fossil fuel takes millions of years to form. Number three, it cannot be replaced once used and it called non-renewable. Number four, it's found under the ground. Number five, it can be difficult to get. Number six, fossil fuel burn to give off heat. Number seven, fossil fuel burn in power station to generate electricity. Number eight, give off the carbon dioxide when burned. Number nine, they are the main cause of air pollution. And then last, one day they could run out. So the type of alternative energy, basically we have a solar, biomass, wind, tidal, nuclear, hydrogen, geothermal, wave, and hydro. In the next slide, we look about alternative energy versus renewable energy. So, renewable energy basically is defined as energy that comes from the resources which are naturally persist on a human time scale, such as sunlight, wind, rain, tides, waves, and geothermal heat. Renewable energy also replaces conventional fuels in four distinct areas, such as electricity generation, hot water, space heating, motor fuels, and rural or off-grid energy services. So, we go the first alternative energy, solar energy. Solar energy basically direct conversion of the sunlight into electricity. It is a simple in design, however require very little maintenance. It also can be constructed as a standalone system to give output from micro to grid connected system of megawatt scale. The application of solar energy that we have nowadays number one is off-grid or remote area. It also can be found at the grid attached residential and commercial buildings. It also can be found at the remote communication system, and it normally at central power plants that above 1 megawatt. The second alternative energy is wind energy. So basically, wind energy is the conversion of the wind energy into electricity using wind turbines. The power is extracted by allowing it blow past moving blades. Amount of the power is dependent on the rotor size and wind speed. The range of the wind energy consists from small 400 watt for residential use to several megawatts machines consists of wind farms and offshore. The third of the alternative energy that I want to share with you about the tidal energy. Tidal energy basically produced by the surge of ocean waters during the rise and fall of tides. The potential of the tidal energy, It is a potential source of renewable energy because tides are steady and predictable. The hydropower comes from the tidal energy, able to convert the energy obtained from tides into a useful form of power, mainly electricity. It is a high cost and limited availability of sites. The last one, geothermal energy. Geothermal energy basically it is a thermal energy generated and stored in the earth. The source is sustainable and reliable. The heat energy is derived from the earth from magma conduits, hot spring or hydrothermal circulation. It spins the turbines in order to generate electricity. However, the disadvantage of the geothermal energy, it is the diffuse and in certain location only. Last one about the alternative energy is a biomass energy, the most widely used form of renewable energy. The use of biomass energy is from organic materials and converting them into the forms of energy. It's source of heating of electric power generation. And the biomass materials basically including wood from various agriculture residues and animal and human waste. That's all for module 1. I hope you can enjoy the module and take part and ask any circumstances that you need to know, that you need to understand. Thank you very much.